today I'm going to be showing you how to make a perfect clear slime. Now, it's not going to be clear at the end, but I'll show you like a few clips of some other clear slimes that were made with this recipe because I just made it today. And it takes like a week just to make the clear slime, but this is how you make it clearer faster. So anyways, let's get started with the video. Yeah, that's my pointer finger. So obviously for your ingredients, you're gonna need a bowl. Also need a mixing utensil and some borax. There's some borax on top of this mixing utensil. Dang it, I just cut into my bowl. Doesn't matter. And obviously you're gonna need some Elmer's clear glue. But for this slime, specifically, you're gonna want some gel borax. It's pretty, actually it's not pretty clear. It's super clear, look at that, it's beautiful. And it's like a gel mixed with borax, and make sure it still activates, because if it doesn't activate at all, then you're probably doing it all wrong. So yeah, if you want to add any glitters or anything, you can, but I'm not gonna add any glitters. So yeah, let's get started with making our slime. First, obviously, you're gonna take your clear glue and add it to the bowl. Make sure you don't add too much, because if you add too much, then you won't be able to activate it, you know? Next, you're going to grab a little bit of borax on like your mixing utensil, and you're gonna slowly add it in gradually, and you're gonna keep mixing until it comes off the sides of the bowl. So yeah, here's a time lapse. See guys, it's starting to come off the bowl. Now all you're gonna do, you are going to add a little bit of borax on the sides like this, and you're just gonna take your borax and just add it to the side like I've been doing. Then you're gonna go like this, and as you can see, it's gonna start pulling off the bowl more easily. And guess what guys, this is Elmer's glue, literal Elmer's glue, no water or anything, and it's still super clear. Wow. But as you can see, it's pretty cool too. As you guys can see, this slime is pretty clear compared to all the other slimes. Like, compared to all the other clear glue recipes, except for the instant clear glue recipes. This is just a recipe that makes clear glue clear faster, not instant. But it's a pretty nice recipe that I came up myself. Yes, and that I came up myself. And it's super thick too. Anyways guys, I'm going to be doing some pretty cool ASMR. It's just normal ASMR, and I'm going to be adding stuff in it in the next video. Yeah. So let's do the ASMR. guys can see, this is a pretty clear slime. And this is not that clear of a slime, but it's still an amazing clear slime. It's not clear because I've been playing with it all week, obviously, and I don't want to get it less clear because I'm saving this for one of my videos, and I'm going to be comparing it to something that I have, and it's awesome. But anyways, yeah, this is a slime that I'm very cringy at playing with it. But anyways, yeah, that's the clear slime that you guys probably have been waiting for this whole video. That's it. Yeah, that's it, my dudes and girls, or whatever gender you are. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video and comment down below how cool your experience was in this video, and comment down below what color I should put this slime. I already wanted to keep it white, but I'm gonna put it in half and color it whatever color you guys want it to be, and I'll mix it together. This is my original slime. I know how to make it, and there's also a secret ingredient in it that I didn't tell you guys in the video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to get notified every time I post a new video. Yeah, bye.
Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear?